Driving down 17th Avenue Southwest in Calgary a few years ago. You can tell it's a few years ago by the cars in there. And it looks like they're all 1970s, early 70s cars, and the Calgary Tower is there, and not so many high-rise buildings downtown like there is nowadays. And it was an early spring day around April, and we're just heading down to the Blackfoot Motorcycle Park to watch dirt bikers. And here we're down by Kentucky Fried Chicken. It looks like a, oh, here we are at the Blackfoot Motorcycle Park. Yeah, I've never ridden in there, but it's the pretty popular spot there for dirt biking. Friends of mine, and just getting ready to leave now.